Hello and welcome back to Android Tutorials. And in this video, we are going to create an sign up screen. So let's begin with today's tutorial. But before that, I would like to request you to subscribe to our channel Android Tutorials to learn more about Android development. And you can check out our code save series, wallpaper series in the I button. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like and share this Android tutorial. So now without wasting time, let me revise you what we had done in our previous video. In our previous video, we made an login screen like this. So after in this video, we are going to castrate new already user button. So let me show you which button it is. So here you can see that new user sign up button. Here I had given ID new user and then set on click listener on that button. So here is our new button with find view by ID and set on click listener on that. So you will have to start a start activity new intent from logging to sign up. So now we are going to implement this sign up class. So to implement that sign up class, we have to click on our package name and then right click on that package name. When you right click on it, you will find one pop up with new and then move to activity and here is empty activity. So after that you have to write here your activity name. So here I am going to write sign up activity and then finish that activity. So after you will generate a Java class like this sign up and XML file like this. So in that we in today's video we are going to design this. So first we are going to convert the constraint layout to scroll view and then we are going to make one child layout that is linear layout and after that here we are going to give its width of match parent, its height of wrap content and its orientation will be vertical, its background color will be white, its padding will be 20 dp. And now in that we are going to start with implementing our images. So this is one text view. You can check out our first splash screen video where I explain you how to make this logo. So after that we are going to give its width and height of 150 dp and then give its font family that we are using in this project and after that we are going to give its gravity that is center and text is 80 and text color is white and its size is 100 sp. After that we are going to make one text view with our application name that is Android tutorials. After we are going to make its text color that is black. Its text size will be 40 sp. As per your need you can change it out. After we are going to implement one text view that will be signing to continue. So sorry, here it will be sign up to continue or we can write sign up to start or whatever you want. So here by giving its wrap content and give its font family Aladdin that we are using and text is sign up to start and give its text size to be 18 sp. After I had wrapped this much in a layout and next we are going to start a linear layout in which we are going to use a material design text input. So here we are going to start writing all that thing. So first we are going to write a text input layout for our material design and then give its ID that is name and its style will be which we are going to use is outline box button. So this will give the outline and after we are going to give its width of match parent, its height will be wrap content and you can write here name also and then finally we are going to write text input edit text and give its width to match parent and its height to be wrap content. Now copy that same code and paste it again and now we are going to change its id, that is email, and its hint email, and you have to import this text input to text email address. After, we are again going to copy that code and paste it again, and now give phone as a id, as a hint, and as a input type. Then again copy and pasting that same code. We are going to give it a username, and here text input will be, so input type will be username if available. So username is not available, so we are writing text. After, we are going to again copy that same code and paste it again, and now here we are going to change its id to be password, and we are going to add password toggle enable to be true, and its hint will be password, and also write input type to be password. Now we are going to create two buttons for a go and one for already sign in. So after that, we are going to write a text color. So here is our width of match parent, height of wrap content, and margin is 5 dp, and give it first a go button background black, and elevation will be 0 dp, and next we are going to start text color, that is go, and afterwards we are going to give its text color to be white. Now completely opposite to this, we are going to make its background to transparent, color is black, and text is already signed up. Now sign in. So this was the basic 3 video series where we had learned how to make Firebase authenticate screens in our Android Studio. So if you enjoyed this series, then please make sure you like and share this Android tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching Android tutorials.